Okay, here we go. So it's another mad day of making fun stuff. Uh-oh. What happened to you? Ooh, left you on. That's no good. Beeper, beeper. Turn you off. Okay, so we're just doing a fun little battery case project. And how long we've been running for? Let's take a look. 27 hours. And you know what? Wow. You know, the more that I run this Creality printer, the more that I'm so impressed with not only the quality of the prints, but, you know, it just seems to run really flawlessly. So let's just take kind of a peruse around the piece here. We got some support on the bottom because there needed to be a gap there, but oh man, this is turning out just gorgeous. Super happy about that. So that's 93% done. And then let's just take a look. So there's the battery project that we're kind of working on. So I got some cell holders that I've 3D printed for some 18650s. And the case is actually going to be going inside this guy here. So that's the idea. So this is just a test, a little battery project, and a lithium conversion. And yeah, so that's the full meal deal. But there's the case that's going to fit inside the other injected housing there, and house the 18650s. And it's going to be 12 amp hours, 12 volts, which is kind of the voltage of what it was before with some lead acids. Now let's take a look. Where did that box go? Yeah, there it is. There's the box. And we're going to have a BMS all tucked inside there. Right, Bluetooth. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to be beautiful. Now this is set up for 4S, so that's 16. So I either thought 16 volts and 9 amp hours, or 12 volts and 12 amp hours. So I think we'll be going possibly 12 volts and higher amp hour capacity. But anyways, yeah, so just this is more a video for prosperity of just fun stuff that's happening. This case has been really a labor of love. I started with thinking about maybe we could use the connectors to push on the cells, and it just turned out they're too bulky for the volume. We're not working with a ton of volume, so it led down to, okay, time to make your own cell connectors. We're going to weld those together with some nickel strips, and then build your own case. And the case is going to be fully sealed, potted, and because it is a kind of water marine application. So yeah, all right, super excited that this is all basically printing flawlessly. And yeah, there we go. Another day of making it happen. We will be back.